So hey guys, welcome to another video of Sharma Ayurvedic store. So as you know that this season is the winter season. Winter season is coming with cough and cold. So here our product. So this is brand name is the Pedanath Casamret Herbal Cough Syrups. It is safe for women and children. It is alcohol free, no drowsiness and fast relief. इन हिंदी एज वी से दैट बच्चों व स्त्रियों के लिए सुरक्षित अल्कोहल रहित पीने से नींद न आए और तुरंत आराम में यह उपयोगी है सो here are our indications. Act as an expectorant, liquefies cough, relieves in dry cough, relieves in wet and allergic cough, hoarseness of voice, relieve congestions and irritations of throat. In Hindi, we says कफ को पतला कर कफ निकालने में गुणकारी, सूखी कफ युक्त और एलर्जी वाली खांसी एवं पुरानी खांसी में उपयोगी, श्वास फूलना, आवाज का बैठना, गले की खराश व गले में खुजली में उपयोगी. So this is our product indications and here are the items in which produced in the Casamret herbal cough syrups. So here are the Somlata. In English we call this punya. In Hindi, Somlata श्वास फूलना में उपयोगी. Then second ingredient is tulsi expectorant. तुलसी कफ को पतला कर कफ निकालने व श्वास रोगों में गुणकारी. And third ingredient is मुलेठी, sore throat. मुलेठी आवाज का बैठना व गले की खराश में उपयोगी. And the fourth ingredient is adusa, is bronchodilator. In Hindi, adusa श्वास नली को फैलाना, पुराने कफ को निकालने में उपयोगी. So this product is safer for women and children. It is alcohol free, it is drowsiness, and this is a fast relief medicine in both types of coughs, like a wet cough and a dry cough. So this is discussion about the product, and here is our bottle. So this is our Ayurvedic product, a cup and bottle. So here is our bottle. So the doses of this bottle is now printed on this medicine cover. So doses is 5 to 10 ml or 1 to 2 tablespoons thrice a day after a meal or as directed by the physician. In Hindi, we says 1 से 2 चम्मच सुबह, दोपहर और शाम के समय. Okay, so this is 100 ml of medicine and the product MRP is just rupees 115. In Hindi, we call 115 rupai. So this is our product review. So if you don't know this discussion, and so this discussion is going to be end now. So if you having any problems with our discussion, then call our phone numbers, and my phone number is 9811941241. So our address is WZ 299 Street number 8, Sadh Nagar, Palam Colony, New Delhi. Our shop name is Sharma Ayurvedic Store. So please kindly request to share, subscribe to my channels, share, like and subscribe to my channels. So there is a complete video of the Badrinath Casamret herbal cough syrups. So please thank you to watching my full video.